What a lovely day, guys. Day 2 of our stay in France, Marseille. And the weather is pretty nice today. Sunny day, beautiful day. And the beaches are looking very good today. Yesterday was very cloudy and rainy, but today is very beautiful. So let's check out the beach, and then we will go to the city today and find out how is it to be in the city of Marseille. Is it beautiful? Is it crowded? I don't know. I will be surprised to visit the city. And you can come with me to see the city, but now I will show you the beach. The beach is crowded with people. Looks amazing. So guys, here is the beach. We are at the beach right now. Wow, check it out, guys. Check this out. Amazing. The view is amazing. So, will you choose Marseille for your next holiday destination? Write down in the comments and let me hear. Have you been in Marseille? Sunny beaches, beautiful, crowded with people, and a lot of cafes. You can enjoy your food or coffee or whatever you like. So guys, now we go to the city of Marseille and check out the city. So guys, we are going to the center of Marseille, and we will take this beautiful boat. Look at that. Well, the line is big. So we're ready to go to the center of Marseille. A lot of boats here, you can see. So let's hop on a boat and check out the city of the Marseille. So we are almost ready to get on a boat from Pointe Rouge. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's our captain. And everybody is ready to get on a boat. So we are almost here. Hey, this is our boat. This boat will take us to the center of Marseille. Bonjour.
Allez, on est. Vous payez par carte? Ça sera avec mon collègue. Enchanting.
So we are at the boat right now.
That side is oh.
Sorry.
And then some hit my wife, and then
Sorry, thank you.
no, your dog.
No, my excuse me.
It's terrible. Vous avez mis les freins, messieurs, dames?
Attention, vous avez perdu votre clé. Merci, au revoir.
Bye bye.
Au revoir. Enjoy your day.
Thank you.
Au revoir, monsieur, dame. Merci.
On va la refaire, on va voir s'il vous plaît. Tout le monde à droite, est-ce que vous êtes prêts? Super à droite, à gauche, est-ce que vous êtes prêts?
So guys, I hope you enjoyed the ride, the boat ride. We just arrived at the old port of the Marseille. I guess it's the central city of the Marseille. And I didn't want to talk at the boat because it was not appropriate. It was a little bit not polite. So I hope you enjoyed the ride. But here's the Marseille. Let's see if you enjoy it. This is the old port, and let's walk around.